All right, class, this is the beginning of our summer course in statistics. This is Math 1342 with a link course of Basic Mathematics 0308. It is elementary statistics, so let's get started. What we'll need for success in this course is a laptop or computer of any kind. If you do not have one, then you can check one out from the library, the LTC building on the MCC campus. The requirements for a checkout of a laptop for summer is at least a 2.0 GPA. And that'll help you in case something happens. Or you can use one of the 40 plus computers that are available on the third floor of the LTC building. You'll also need an internet provider. The internet providers can be any one of your choosing, such as AT&T, Verizon, Xfinity, Spectrum, or any one of the various internet providers. Should something happen to your provider and you're unable to or lose it, then you can drive to MCC and join in on our broadband, and you can get internet connection. Needed also is a TI-84 calculator. The reason for this one is it has statistical keys to help us process some of the test data or some general 5-number summaries that we'll be working with in our course. If you don't want to purchase a handheld, you can download one on any smartphone. Go into the App Store and write TI-84 emulator, EMULATOR. The next thing is a spiral or paper or some kind of connector of paper to write all of the examples or notes or work out the problems, as well as a writing instrument of your choice. It is vital that you keep this in order because all exams are off of the homework assignments. And of course, there is the need for time and time management. You need time to work on the course and complete weekly assignments. This is not as you go pace. It has deadlines. And then you must have time management to give yourself time to absorb the material in a timely fashion, not spend all of Sunday doing homework. Because it is summer, it's a minimum of 5, I'll repeat, 5 assignments a week. And if you do it during the week, it would mean 1 a day for Monday through Friday. And that gives you the weekend to still enjoy summer. The next thing that's important is you must be able to communicate. This means you must read any email you receive from me on your MCC address, and then also communicate as soon as you're getting behind so I can help you get caught up, or as soon as emergencies happen. Life is never fair, and things will be happening in your life that cause you to be unable to work on the program, or as soon as you feel lost or uncomfortable with the material. This means that you're unable to discern what I'm wanting you to pick up from the video lessons attached to the course. And maybe I can Zoom with you and help you. And the next thing for success is print out the calendar of weekly assignments. This is an 11-week course. It is Summer 1 and Summer 2 combined. We finish on August the 13th. We start on June 2nd, but because there is time and there's just too much material to waste time, and looking at the calendar will keep you focused. Use a computer with internet access and watch the videos. Very crucial in this course because I do all of my computations on the TI-84. Take notes and email or attend Zoom office hours for any questions you may have regarding homework problems. Use only the MCC email address to communicate. I will not open any work emails, Gmail, or any other public email service. I must have an MCC email address in order for me to respond. Now, rules of success. We have an attendance policy at MCC for mathematics. It is if you're absent 25% of the course, then you will be automatically dropped. And in summer, this would mean that out of each week's assignments, a minimum of 2/3 of each of the week's assignments must be completed by Sunday in order to be counted present. But understand that that other material must be caught up as well. Attendance is taken on Monday, and 3 weeks of absences accrued will result in a drop. Weekly assignments will be due according to our course calendar and listed on our announcement page and listed in the weekly assignments to ensure the course is completed on time. A minimum of 75 score, or 75%, if you will, must be scored on each homework assignment to continue working on the next assignment. Well, let's look at my course. It is on Brightspace, so I'm going to click on it, hopefully. Well, it's not coming up, so I will do it manually. You enter Brightspace by using www.mclennan.edu or going directly to Brightspace. So I'm going to go into my Brightspace account. You'll log in using your first initial, last initial, and your ID number and the password that you have set for yourself. This is Summer 125 of Math 1342. This course is the combined 308 and 1342 course. The first thing I want you to notice is right above. It says Content, which lists everything you have to access, Attendance, which you can keep, become aware of if I've marked you present or absent. Homework and exams, that means the Pearson account to do homework. And if I click on it, you can see, because this is an AI class, you can see all of the assignments. At the moment, it shows only a partial amount. On the end, it has the due dates. And of course, each one of these are homeworks. So let me get back. Sorry about that. And then you can have, now you won't see the rest of these are my course items, but you're going to go and see our welcome page. On our welcome page, oops, sorry about that. On our welcome page, right here, you will see week 1 welcome. And I've listed here to let's get started. And here I've listed again what I'm stating to you verbally in this orientation video. This is my picture. I am older than that, sorry to tell you. And here is my information of when I'm online or when I'm reading emails. I will not read emails on Sunday. Sunday, I will not read emails. So you'll have to wait till Monday for me to address them. So let's go back up here and go under content. Under content, excuse me, you'll see on the left everything that will encompass the course. And you'll see I have week 1 through 11 with the dates. It is your job to click on it to see the assignments, and I have it on this first one. The first week, we have the orientation video, the 308 homework. Now, the 308 is basic mathematics, and this is fractions to decimals to percentages, which is vital in working statistics. And then we have the lesson homework of section 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3 for this week, and of course a discussion board. Then I will tell you a little information to keep you focused on what is needed. As you scroll down on week 1, you have the video available, the chapter 1 review, information, discussion 1, which is meet and greet, and you click on this and you'll get directly to that assignment. And the assignment is here. You will start a thread. You will click on it here. Sorry. And it'll open it up, and then you read what I gave you an idea. You can go more, but not less. And then you start a new thread, and you respond to at least 2 of your classmates. So that's important as well. All right, so back to our content for week 1. And then you have the videos. The videos are listed in several parts because you don't want to be bored and listen to something for an hour. They're usually about 20 minutes, and they're YouTube, so they should be easy for you to understand. You click, and I will give you
our study of Math 1342 statistics.
And I write cursive. If you have difficulty, please contact me. And I am in the process of putting captions, and so maybe by the time the course starts, I will have enough of them done to help you. Okay, so then under week 1, you also have, besides videos, you have completed notes. Now, these are not ADA yet, but they are references to what you saw on the video. And you can see the examples of what I want you to know. Okay, so we've looked at week 1. What I glazed over was something very, very important, and I apologize for that. It's a syllabus and calendar. The syllabus and calendar are listed right here with Summer 1 and Summer 2. I don't expect you to print out the syllabus, but I expect you to read it or glance over it. The calendar is vital. The calendar I spent time on, and you would download it in order to print it. But we just want to look at every week and what is needed. The items on the, and let me get that. The items on the third column is the minimum that you need to complete to be counted present. So you can see it is definitely a summer class. And let me go to the bottom. And what I have here is a breakdown of the grades. The homework is worth 20% or 20 points. The discussion board is 10. Those are freebie points, and they should always be done. They're usually opinions or suggestions or ideas or expression. There are 4 exams, and it's worth half of the points for the score, 50%, and the final is 20%. It has all of my contact information. Notice that my cell phone is listed. I only want text. And then and in the text, you can request a call, and I will try to meet that call if I'm not teaching. Okay, then here is the attendance policy, and the discussion board must be completed on the week assigned. No makeups are possible. So please be aware of that. Exams have a due date, and a 0 will be inserted if you don't make the due date. Now, if some emergency happens or you run out of time or other in life happens, email me. I'll extend the date of the exam and you can then take it. All right, so that gives you an idea of what's there. And you print this, but you have to download it first and then print. All right, so let me go back to the top. If there are issues with anything in the in how you see what is due, or if you see other problems that you may have, okay, then I leave you with this. The ability to concentrate and to use time well is everything. This is from Lee Iacocca. Lee Iacocca developed the Ford Mustang in 1965. It is an iconic car of speed and excellence in performance, and it is popular. And he did not succeed at the first time, but he never gave up. Please don't give up on this course. It is, you signed up for it. I've spread it as evenly as I could. I am here via email, text, and I'll try to be on campus every once in a while. So please stay on course. Thank you for choosing my course, and I'll see you in cyber class. Bye-bye.